Sawadee Welcome guys to a new video. I'm currently in Bangkok and I'm gonna celebrate Thai New Year here for these upcoming days. It's called Songkran. I think it officially starts today, maybe tomorrow, but we will see. So guys, let me just give you a quick tour. So this is the entrance. We got a table over here where you can eat. We got two couches there. TV, it worked. I was watching Cartoon Network yesterday. We got Gengar and Yoshi. So the cool thing is there is a washing machine here, even though this is the most outdated washing machine that I've ever seen, but I'm gonna try it tonight. I hope it works. Microwave, you can even cook on the stove. Man, there's so much stuff here. Garbage bin over here. Fridge, freezer, oven, and then here we have, a chill section where you can sit and do some work. We have a balcony over here. I got some clothes drying because I went swimming in the morning in the upstairs pool. There's also a gym upstairs. And here we have my room. Pop. Pop. Poppity pop. The bed is very comfy. Got some stuff here. Sunscreen, deodorant. This is from the Netherlands. If you put this over your clothes, it's like a dry wash, but I don't use it a lot. This is my perfume, if anyone is curious. Got my suitcase. Got some views here. I'm staying on the 6th floor. And last but not least, my bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Shower. So guys, as you can see, this place is very, very big. I'm just staying here by myself. My sister is staying in the same floor with her husband in their own separate studio/apartment. So I normally would not book something this big, especially if I'm traveling alone. But my sister booked this for me, so I want to give a shout out to her. Guys, don't be jealous. Don't be disliking this video because you see me chilling in a nice condo in Bangkok. Go get your own sister. Be nice to her. Treat her well. Show her some love. And maybe one day she will also book a nice condo for you in Bangkok. Just so you know, I do have the best sister in the world, so it's gonna be hard to beat her. And if you don't have a sister, hey, I can help you. Let me show you guys my plan for today. My water gun, so I don't think I even said it. The thing about Songkran is, it's not just a regular New Year party. Like people just have a chill night or they just go to party, they eat food and stuff. Guys, you're gonna get wet, all right? Everybody goes on the streets walking around with water pistols. I'm not talking water pistols, I'm actually talking about water guns, like big guns. You're gonna get wet. I heard you can even shoot water guns at the police officers. I'm not gonna try that. Don't wanna go to Thai prison, But the reason they do that is because it's like a symbolic thing to wash away all your sins and everything you've experienced, and you can start the new year with a fresh mind, like a fresh body. Guys, this was the worst explanation ever, but anyway, you know what I mean. So this will be my best friend for the coming days. This is like a waterproof bag. I'm gonna leave my regular bag here. Also, this camera which I'm filming with, I'm gonna leave this here because it's not waterproof. So I'm just gonna put it back in the case. And I'm gonna use my phone for recording. I've never actually tested it, but the iPhone should be waterproof. It's an iPhone 11, and if it's not, I'm gonna send a complaint to Apple. So I'm gonna pack this, and then I'm gonna head outside. Not sure if I can film a lot, but I will take you guys with me, so let's see you guys at the next part. All right, guys, I got my water pistol over here. I chose this one yesterday at the supermarket. All right. By the way, this is not what you think it is. I'm not stupid. I don't do drugs. This is what you think it is. This is actually just cat snacks. I'm gonna give this when I see a random cat. So for the washing machine, you need laundry detergent. And you have to ask downstairs for the package. And this is the package. All right, so say no to drugs. And let me just show you guys how strong the water gun is. But let me pump it up. I don't want anyone downstairs to get shot, so let me show you here. I don't know if you can see it. So it's not super strong, but it's not weak as well, you know? It goes a little bit, so it'll be fine. So guys, it's currently 36 degrees. Very hot and humid. I spoke to a staff member in the... Wait, I'm so discombobulated. I'm recording this through my phone, so I don't know where to look, but I spoke to a staff member in the elevator and he said Songkran officially starts tomorrow. But I asked him about the water fights and he said, yeah, some people do it already today. So, you know, I also gotta defend myself. Got Mr. Dinosaur here. And I'm going to a mall now, going to grab some food. And I will take you guys with me. Guys, as you can see, there are some street vendors here where you can buy the water guns. Guys, look at this big ass mall. It's called Central World. Goes all the way to the end there. I'm trying to get some food over there. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to go inside with a water gun because it's also fully loaded. It's totally understandable if they deny me entrance, but let's see. Guys, look at how cool this just looks. Guys, look at all these people buying their water gun at the mall. So I haven't seen a lot of people with water guns today, so I think it like officially starts tomorrow with all the craziness. Guys, they got so many floors, but the 7th and the 6th floor have restaurants, so let's go to there. So guys, these are all the restaurants that are inside this mall. That's crazy. All right guys, so you get this card here at the food court. You put money on top of it. And then you just go wherever you want and you pay by the card. And whatever's left on the card, you get it back cash. So pretty nice setup. All right guys, getting some food at this veggie spot. All right, I got some spring rolls, steamed rice, veggies, soy chunks, and some fried mushrooms together. This cost 110 baht. This is less than 3 euros, so pretty good deal. I'm gonna eat this. Guys, look at this shit. Alright guys, this is Siam Paragon, one of my favorite malls in Bangkok. It's a super big mall and they're having a show outside. Alright guys, I got the vegan Hainanese chicken and also a wonton noodle soup. Looks delicious. Guys, in case you're wondering, this meal cost 150 baht in total. I got 250 left on my card, so pretty good deal. It's less than 4 euros.
Later that night.
We need to get to the bar.